Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video, I am going to give information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions for the preparation of entrance exam for MPH, that is Master of Public Health, and MHA, that is Master of Hospital Administration, for various university and institutes like Common University Entrance Test CUT PG. For CUT PG, registration are open and last date for online registration for CUT PG 2024 session is 24th of January 2024 and entrance exam will be in March 2024. So this video is very useful for various university and institutes MPH and MHA entrance exams like CUT PG, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Jodhpur, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH, निम्हांस बेंगलोर, JNU, हैदराबाद यूनिवर्सिटी, ICMR भुवनेश्वर, पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी, लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी, राजीव गांधी हेल्थ यूनिवर्सिटी, कालोजी नारायण यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ साइंसेज एंड ऑल अदर यूनिवर्सिटी एंड इंस्टीट्यूट्स which conducts Master of Public Health MPH entrance exams, MPH and MHA entrance exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital management, and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. So here first question is, which is the cause of anthrax disease? Which is the cause of anthrax disease? Option A virus, option B bacteria, option C mycoplasma, option D algae. Correct answer is option B bacteria. So bacteria is the cause of anthrax disease. Here question is, which is the cause of anthrax disease? Correct answer is bacteria. Next question is, the most extensive use of molasses after fermentation is for producing. The most extensive use of molasses after fermentation is for producing. Option A methanol, option B sugar, option C ethanol, option D sugarcane. Correct answer is option C ethanol. The most extensive use of molasses after fermentation is for producing ethanol. Next question is, a bacterial cell divides once every minute and take 1 hour to fill a cup. How much time will take it to fill half the cup? Option A 30 minutes, option B 60 minutes, option C 29 minutes, option D 59 minutes. Correct answer is option D 59 minutes. So here question is, a bacterial cell divides once every minute and take 1 hour to fill a cup. How much time will it take it to fill half the cup? Correct answer is 59 minutes. Next question is, which of the following is or are the possible commercial or industrial application of bacteria? Which of the following is or are the possible commercial or industrial applications of bacteria? First is statement first, fermentation of sugars. Second, production of vaccines. Third, cleaning of oil spills. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A first only, option B second and third only, option C first and third only, option D first, second and third. So correct answer is option D first, second and third. Here question is, which of the following is or are the possible commercial or industrial applications of bacteria? So all the options are correct, that is fermentation of sugars, production of vaccines and cleaning of oil spills. So fermentation of sugars, production of vaccines, cleaning of oil spills, these are all the possible commercial or industrial applications of bacteria. Next question is, nitrogen fixing bacteria is useful in growing which crop? Nitrogen fixing bacteria is useful in growing which crop? Option A wheat, option B paddy, option C legume, option D maize. Correct answer is option C legume. So nitrogen fixing bacteria is useful in growing legume crop. So this is very important question. Nitrogen fixing bacteria is useful in growing legume crop. Next question is function of lag hemoglobin in nitrogen fixation. Function of lag hemoglobin in nitrogen fixation. Option A, absorption of oxygen. Option B, nutrition of bacteria. Option C, absorption of light. Option D, all. Correct answer is option A, absorption of oxygen. So function of lag hemoglobin in nitrogen fixation. Correct answer is absorption of oxygen. So absorption of oxygen is the function of lag hemoglobin in nitrogen fixation. Next question is, which one of the following disease caused by bacteria? Which one of the following disease caused by bacteria? Option A, tuberculosis. Option B, mumps. Option C, smallpox. Option D, rabies. Correct answer is option A, tuberculosis. So tuberculosis disease is caused by bacteria. Here question is, which one of the following disease caused by bacteria? Correct answer is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is the disease which is caused by bacteria. Next question is, which communicable disease is caused by bacteria? Which communicable disease is caused by bacteria? Option A, smallpox. Option B, mumps. Option C, leprosy. Option D, asthma. Correct answer is option C, leprosy. So leprosy is the communicable disease which is caused by bacteria. So the communicable disease which is caused by bacteria is leprosy. Next question is refrigeration. Refrigeration is a process in which option A, bacteria are destroyed. Option B, growth of bacteria reduced. Option C, bacteria become inactive. Option C, cytoplasm of bacteria contract. So correct answer is option C, bacteria become inactive. Refrigeration is a process in which bacteria become inactive. So refrigeration is a process in which bacteria become inactive. Next question is, sourcing of milk is due to. So souring of milk is due to SOURING. Souring of milk is due to option A, protozoa. Option B, bacteria. Option C, virus. Option D, nematode. Correct answer is bacteria. So souring of milk is due to bacteria. This is very important question. So due to bacteria, souring of milk is happened. So souring of milk is due to bacteria. Next question is, bacteria helpful in making curd from milk. Bacteria helpful in making curd from milk. Option A, Mycobacterium. Option B, Staphylococcus. Option C, Lactobacillus. Option D, yeast. So very important question this is. Bacteria helpful in making curd from milk. Correct answer is Lactobacillus. So Lactobacillus is the bacteria which is helpful in making curd from milk. So bacteria helpful in making curd from milk is Lactobacillus. Next question is, nitrogen fixing bacteria is found in leguminous plant. Nitrogen fixing bacteria which is found in leguminous plant. Option A, Azohector. Option B, Nitrobacter. Option C, Rhizobium. Option D, Pseudomonas. So correct answer is option C, Rhizobium. Nitrogen fixing bacteria which is found in leguminous plant is Rhizobium. Next question is, virus is said to be. Option A, living. Option B, non-living. Option C, transitional group between living and non-living. Option D, living that cannot be multiplied. So correct answer is option C, that is transitional group between living and non-living. So virus is said to be, correct answer is transitional group between living and non-living. So virus is said to be in transitional group between living and non-living. Next question is TMV. Full form of TMV is tobacco mosaic virus. So TMV is related to, so full form of TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. So TMV is related to option A, virus. Option B, evolution. Option C, algae. Option D, reproduction of. Correct answer is option A, virus. So TMV, that is tobacco mosaic virus, is related to virus. Next question, the disease hydrophobia is caused due to. Option A, bacteria. Option B, fungi. Option C, virus. Option D, algae. Correct answer is option C, virus. The disease hydrophobia is caused due to virus. So the disease which is called hydrophobia, it is caused due to virus. Next question is, which one of the following contain no enzyme? Which one of the following contain no enzyme? Option A, bacteria. Option B, virus. Option C, lichen. Option D, algae. Correct answer is option B, virus. So question is, which one of the following contain no enzyme? Correct answer is virus. Virus contain no enzyme. So virus contain no enzyme. Next question is, the virus which attack the bacterial cell are called? The virus which attack the bacterial cell are called? Option A, tobacco mosaic virus. Option B, cyanophage. Option C, bacteriophage. Option D, mycophages. Correct answer is option C, bacteriophage. The virus which attack the bacterial cell are called? Correct answer is bacteriophage. So bacteriophage is the virus which attack the bacterial cell. Next question is, consider the following: first, nucleic acid; second, carbohydrate; third, protein. A virus is made up of which of the following? Option A, first and second only. Option B, second and third only. Option C, first and third only. Option D, first, second and third only. Correct answer is option C, first and third only. So consider the following. So a virus is made up of which of the following? Correct answer is nucleic acid and protein. So a virus is made up of nucleic acid and protein. Next question is, HIV often changes its shape due to the presence of an enzyme is called? HIV often changes its shape due to the presence of an enzyme is called? Option A, reverse transcriptase. Option B, enterokinase. Option C, nucleotidase. Option D, nucleotidase. Correct answer is option A, reverse transcriptase. So HIV often changes its shape due to the presence of an enzyme is called? Correct answer is reverse transcriptase. So HIV often changes its shape due to the presence of an enzyme which is called reverse transcriptase. Next question is, virus which contain RNA as genetic material. Virus which contain RNA as genetic material. Option A, reovirus. Option B, retrovirus. Option C, ribovirus. Option D, all. Correct answer is all. So virus which contain RNA as genetic material are reovirus, retrovirus and ribovirus. So in this video, information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions has been given, which are very useful for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA for various university and institutes like Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH Nimhans Bangalore, JNU Hyderabad University, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Pune University, Lucknow University, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health, Hospital Management and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Thanks for watching this video.